Okay, think about this for a second. We've got robots driving cars by themselves. Some can deliver food. Some can literally walk around like humans now. So why, somehow, are people still spending time cleaning swimming pools manually? Yeah, that part doesn't really make sense anymore. And I think products like the WYBOT S3 are exactly why. Because this isn't just another robotic pool cleaner. Honestly, calling it a pool cleaner almost feels wrong. This thing feels more like a tiny autonomous machine built specifically to take over one job and do it way smarter than we would. And what caught my attention first is what happens the moment you throw it in the pool. Normally, these robots just kind of wander around, bouncing off walls, hoping they eventually cover everything. Not this one. The WYBOT S3 actually scans the entire pool first, builds a full 3D map, and figures out the best route before it even starts properly cleaning. Which is kind of wild when you think about it. Your pool cleaner is literally analyzing its environment before working. But then it gets even better. It has an onboard AI vision system, so it can actually spot debris underwater instead of blindly moving around. So if one section is dirtier than the rest, it knows. And it goes straight there. Less wasted movement, better cleaning. Makes way more sense. Now here's the part I genuinely like the most. When the cleaning cycle is done, you don't go pick it up. You don't recharge it. You don't even empty it. The robot drives itself back to the dock, connects automatically, starts charging, then pushes all the collected debris out into a separate container sitting outside the pool. So basically, it cleans your pool and then cleans up after itself, which honestly sounds ridiculous. In a good way. And somehow they added solar charging on top of that. So while you're inside doing literally anything else, this thing is outside quietly handling the entire job by itself. App controls, live tracking, scheduled cleaning, remote control mode. At this point, it doesn't feel like a pool gadget anymore. It feels like someone took futuristic automation tech and dropped it straight into your backyard. And yeah, the future of pool cleaning? I'd say we're already looking at it. This is WYBOT S3.